Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Good Food, Simple Science. Today we're going to make a Thai yellow curry. So it's a little bit different. When you think of Thai food, you might think of a Thai green curry, or you might think of a Thai red curry. But Thai yellow curry relies on those deep and roasted flavours. So we're going to do that by adding some roasted garlic, some roasted ginger, and some roasted shallots into our curry paste, along with some dry spices as well, to kind of really develop that flavour and to bring us this Thai yellow curry. So let's get right into this recipe, and we'll start by making our Thai yellow curry paste. We'll do this by adding some shallots, ginger, garlic, get this onto roast. So now with our spice paste reduced, we're ready to add our chicken thighs, cook that out, add some coconut milk, some vegetables and some aromatics to finish our curry. With our curry infusing and simmering on the stove, we move on to finish. We've got our base notes of our garlic and ginger and those ground spices in the curry. We've got our aromatics, so we've got that lime leaf and that lemongrass infusing into that mix. Now we move on to finish and season our mix. So let's get right to it. We've got some fish sauce, which can give us that saltiness, some palm sugar, which will give us a little bit more sweetness, coriander to give that beautiful background herby note, and some lime just to give that acidity and freshness to that curry. So that was my recipe for a Thai yellow curry. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you had, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.